Get ready to be amazed by the breathtaking photos captured by NASA's Curiosity rover. This Mini Cooper-sized lab on wheels has been exploring Mars since 2011, and its latest panoramic images are truly out of this world. From a lookout point near Mount Sharp, a 3-mile-high mountain, Curiosity snapped a stunning view across Gale Crater's floor. At the center of this image lies Peace Vallis, an ancient river channel that once carried water into the crater billions of years ago. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite the vast distance between Mars and Earth, Peace Vallis remarkably resembles river drainage features found on our own planet. Scientists are still puzzled by how this alien landscape formed and where the water originated. Some experts believe it was rain during a warmer, wetter era on the red planet, while others speculate that melted snow or underground springs could be the source. These new images, taken from a distance of 19 miles, reveal rocky formations and sediment patterns never seen before. NASA explains, while Curiosity has taken pictures of Peace Vallis in the past, this is the first time details like these have been seen within it. The image at the top of this story is just a glimpse of the larger panorama, which was created by stitching together 44 individual frames captured by Curiosity's Mastcam instrument. Scientists adjusted the colors to simulate Earth-like lighting conditions, giving us a more familiar view of this otherworldly landscape. But Curiosity's exploration doesn't stop there. Using its ChemCam instrument, a black-and-white camera with a small telescope, the rover studied distant features and captured Peace Vallis in 10 frames, later stitched together to create the image below. The dark rock formations just left of center are a key focus of scientific inquiry. These new observations could provide valuable insights into how sediment flowed into Gale Crater and for how long. Such photos also offer clues about the original water source. Before Mars transformed into a dusty, cold world, it was home to rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans. Scientists have found ample evidence that the planet wasn't always arid, but the timing and reasons for the disappearance of water remain unclear. Scientists believe that water and sediment once flowed down Peace Vallis into Gale Crater, spreading a fan of sediment across the basin floor. Since its mission began, Curiosity has traveled an incredible 352 million miles through space and over Martian terrain, studying the crater's water history to investigate Mars' potential habitability for microbial life. And this is the part most people miss. Some researchers are now more confident than ever that microorganisms did exist on the red planet. Last week, NASA held a news conference about a rock sample collected by Curiosity's younger sibling, Perseverance, at Gale Crater in 2024. This sample contains fossilized material that may have been created by ancient biological activity, according to NASA, although officials emphasize that non-biological explanations cannot be ruled out. This finding by our incredible Perseverance rover is the closest we've actually come to discovering ancient life on Mars, said Nikki Fox, NASA's associate administrator. Currently, about 2,000 miles away from Perseverance, Curiosity is exploring a mysterious Martian region known as a boxwork. This landscape features a grid-like pattern of ridges that scientists suggest could have formed with the last trickles of water before the area dried out completely. However, mineral veins in the boxwork conflict with the suspected timeline for the disappearance of groundwater, adding another layer of complexity. So, what do you think? Could these new observations and findings lead us closer to uncovering the secrets of Mars's ancient past? Share your thoughts and theories in the comments below.